Hello, welcome to week 4 of Sociology 185. Greetings, airport. I am currently stuck in transit, so I wanted to spend some time to make you a video. Thank you for those who posted early. I encourage everyone to keep posting early. It gives me a chance to read your post, and it gives your classmate a chance to give feedback, right? This feedback is super important when you do your projects and your papers. I guarantee the ones who post early are going to get better feedback, right? So for this upcoming week, we are going to focus our attention from inequality to now politics. We're going to go over voting issues. We're going to go over the most recent presidential election, where public opinion stands on issues such as gay marriage, such as capital punishment, immigration, gun control, etc. Right? The big issues in American society. As I said in my email and what Dr. Halley has said, the quiz is coming up. It's going to be next Friday. So you will have 30 minutes to complete your quiz. It's going to be 20 questions, and it's going to be randomized. So everyone's going to have a different set of questions for your exam, right? If you are registered for CAE, you will have extra time depending on your accommodation. So in terms of preparation for the quiz, it's an open book quiz, but because of the short amount of time, I do not recommend you wait until the last minute to go over the material as you try to answer the questions. There is a study guide available for week 1 to week 4, right? So week 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on the study guide, and the study guide is located on the document tab on the course website. So please take a look at this. The key to doing well on this quiz is being able to answer all of the questions on the study guide. So please take a look at it. Please go over it, right? So for this week discussion forum, we are going to ask, who, in your opinion, is the best president since World War II and why? The challenge here is to be concrete and clear, meaning what you must develop your own answers referencing arguments from the readings. Again, this week we will have an anonymous poll. It's going to be poll number 2. Please keep in mind that you are going to answer these questions and they're going to be completely anonymous. And all students who answer the bonus points, if the response rate is 90% or higher, like last time, everyone is going to get 1 extra point. Right? So please study guide, and please go do the poll. Extra point there, right? If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm here for you, or post on the TA form. Have a good week and wish me a safe flight back home. Okay, take care.